video. If you already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification notified every time I upload a new video. So as you can tell, I'm in a different car. I'm actually in my girlfriend's 350Z, and hers is nice. Like, I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Like, I want it. It's really nice. But so I'm gonna like show you guys the outside of it. It's not wrapped right now, but she's gonna be wrapping it soon, very soon. So then yeah, like the way you see it now, it's not wrapped, and she plans on wrapping it. So I'll probably, when she does wrap it, then I'll just show you guys what it looks like wrapped. But I had bought a carbon fiber hood, and I was gonna use it, and then I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna use it. I'm not gonna use that one. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just put it on her car and see if she likes it, and if she doesn't like it, then I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Because if you guys know, I do have an HR, and I'm not gonna lie, it kind of fell apart. I'll probably do like an update on it a different time, but I don't know if it's worth fixing. But I do have a lot of carbon on that car that I'm gonna be taking off of it. So that's a different story, and I'll just give you guys an update on that car when I touch it again or see it again, because I don't even have it with me right now because it is really messed up right now. It's funny to me because I mean, I don't really care about that thing because too much work. Anyway, so I'm gonna get to it and show you guys like girlfriend's car. Okay, look. So this is her 350Z. It's hecka nice. I ended up not using this bumper, so I just gave her because I don't use it. But anyways, she has this hood on right now. It's just the OEM hood, guys. So that's what she has on it currently. So I'm gonna go home and put the carbon fiber hood on it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna try and do it myself, but she is wide as hell. Look at it. Let me see. And don't like, it's just not done right now, but it's really nice and clean. Like, I love it. But yeah, that's her 350Z. So I'm just giving you guys, what's it called? A before with the OEM like DE hood on it, and then I'll show you guys an after with the carbon fiber HR hood. So I think it's gonna make a big difference. Like, I personally believe carbon adds a lot of detail to cars and just makes them look 10 times cleaner. Obviously her car's already clean as heck to me, but I just feel like a carbon fiber hood will look really good on her car. So we're gonna go do that right now. Let's go. So with these hoods, you have 4 bolts, 2 over here, 2 over here. So honestly, it really shouldn't take that much. And if I'm guessing, I think it's a 10. I've done this before, so I'm gonna check. Okay guys, it was actually a 12. Do it the right way. If this drill fits. Honestly, only one's gonna fit, so I don't know. Okay guys, so I needed a 13. I'm gonna put this on here. I'm gonna try to take it off by myself. I'm not gonna lie, I've been hitting the gym lately. Not even lately, for like a year now. I don't know, but like I've been consistent for like, I think like a few months. I don't know, because sometimes I was always on and off, but I've been like lifting weights and like getting on the machines and stuff. So maybe I'm gonna be strong enough to take this off by myself. Let's see. This looks so light. I'm just worried about the carbon one. So here's the carbon fiber hood. That's the OEM one. Okay guys, so I finished installing the hood. I don't know what all you saw, because I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of hard. installing the hood, and then my sister came home from work like literally just in time to kind of help me hold the hood up and put it up. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the car, so you've seen like a before and then you'll see an after. This is what it looks like. I think it looks 10 times better. Like, I love it. It's just the hood right here, like it's on, but it's not closing because the latch right here keeps hitting it. And then when I push it like this, it still doesn't really close, and I don't know. I really don't know. I'm gonna try something. So I can't really get it to close. I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know. But when my girlfriend like comes home from work, because she knows what I was